I'm going to show how to install a trailer hitch on my zero-turn mower. This is the hitch kit I purchased online. Here's what comes in the box. The trailer hitch, two 60mm carriage bolts and two 30mm carriage bolts, two flange nylon insert lock nuts, and a hitch pin. There is also an installation guide with detailed information. I will be using this as I go along with the install. This hitch has a multi-purpose design which allows different types of towing options. Be sure to check the owner's manual to see what towing capacity your machine has. Zero turns are not designed for pulling heavy loads. Begin by locating the framework on the back of your mower. My mower has factory holes that I can use for mounting this hitch. If holes aren't present, you can drill holes in the frame. I recommend backing the mower up on ramps to allow more working clearance. Next, center the hitch at the mounting location. If mounting holes are present, determine which holes on the hitch will be used. If you find poor alignment, you still might have to drill some holes. In this case, it worked out perfect. Now insert the carriage bolts through the aligned holes. I found the 30mm bolts work well for my situation. The 60mm bolts would have had to have been used if mounting on the frame. Seat each bolt into their square keyed slots so they won't turn. Then thread on the flange nuts, tightening them by hand. Here's what it should look like underneath. Finally, finish tightening using a socket. Make sure you do not over-tighten. You do not want to damage the threads. The mower can now be driven off the ramps and the hitch can be used. Once again, here are the different hitching options. These are the options that I will use the most. You can also mount a ball. However, on this particular mower, the engine shield protrudes too far out. If a ball hitch is needed, the hitch would need to be moved to the frame. This would require drilling holes and using the longer carriage bolts for mounting. As stated earlier, be sure to follow the towing capacity guidelines for your mower.